For the basement cable route, we did the excavation and restoration.
Okay.
Okay. So, but site restoration is it done?
Yeah, completed and inspected.
But I think Mr. Nishad and Amil, we need to do site restoration audit to get signature from all parties, declaring that area is restored or reinstated to its original state.
But in a harmonic filter is still there is activities going on.
So then we need to separate
generator, welfare facility, that's shelter, pollution unit, all are there.
But Niyaz and Nishad, I think what Bolu is saying that we must have the restoration plan, because the plant after the commissioning we have to restore the facility as it is.
Right.
So this point must be, addressed somewhere. So how are you going to address the restoration of the site after the commissioning and all this thing?
Punch point wise, the punch point is closed. But as Mr. Bablu said, they can put an audit and they can inspect it.
So you want to take one action, or?
Yeah, we take one action.
Restoration.
Yeah.
Ensure.
No, sorry to interrupt. Actually, housekeeping, everything, if punch point is signed,